Alerts for futures trade Avalanche USDT. I added around here 9:30. So this is a zone where I start looking the setup for the long. Now I'm on a just outside of the market. So liquidation heat map, guys, on the weekly time frame, like you can see, under is a lot of liquidations on 1 week time frame. It's a futures. That's why everything from 960 even to 920 is so attractive to grab that liquidity before the continuation. Technically, on a daily, we just move in a basic sideways since February 6th. So nothing special. So this is just like 1040, 1050 and 750, just a $3-4 range. Over then, here, take a look. Over then 3 months, we just traded it just in a basic range. Usually, it can be the accumulation before the continuation. What I don't like, the summer. Summer usually is low liquid time period, but the break of structure, global one, is still relevant. That's why I'm waiting. Something like this one. And maybe the correction, the June, August, and continuation with the uptrend structure. Something like this one. And also, if we not hold the line here and crash it down, the reward will be open even to the weekly time frame. I recommend you use the smart money concept zone. This is a daily gaps what we need to come back and feel. And this is a break of structure. That's why on a daily, yes, I'm bullish, but I need to see the retest. The reaction here, this was a signal to buy. Now nothing. All right, let's close. But weekly, this is what you have to pay attention. Guys, you can be sure, if we not hold a line around here, we can drop this summer even to 567. This green stable gap, for me personally, can be like a spot entry. 476 and the full feel like $4, for me will be more than okay to buy for a spot. Now I'm not touch any spot positions. So that's it. Oh, after that, of course, weekly is going to be here, 24 and 28.74. This is it. So now this is my entry for the futures trade. Direction I showed you, EMA multi and the market smooth. What I wish to see, and usually it's happen, when we test one line, after that we test the second line, we hold the line and go to the third one. So it's a 50, 100, 200 EMA. And I'll be not surprised if we go so high. After that, in summer, we go into correction. That's why this level, like $15 round number, it's a magnet for the price. 200 EMA now on a daily is 12.37. We are trading in the area zone, so it was a logical drop. Weekly time frame, of course, we underrated, and the sweep of this break of structure, it's a 50 EMA test 15.36. So yes, you can be sure one day, and just I guess really soon we're gonna test this 50 EMA. After that, 100 EMA, and in summer it can be correction. All right, now let's take a look at the money power indicator and the trade on. Based on let's hide the smart money concept. Highly recommend you use this set, so you will be one step ahead of other traders. A trade on, buy, no signal to sell or just out of position. Just recommendation, out of position, local scalp, but no main signal to sell. It's good. Well, time frame was sell was here with the money outflow. So now we pump, drop a little bit, but without any money outflow. So the big whales not take the profit. So it's good. No money inflow now, but anyway, we're still in a bullish condition. The time to sell will be here, like it was in November, December 24. Now we not even test the middle line. That's why we're still early for the Avax. But the targets for a futures entry, I showed you. Let me show you once again on a daily. Why it's logical even on a 12 time frame here. I would like to see the order block gaps I showed you here, liquidity and order blocks. This I can even drop it here. So 920 for me, it can be the setup for the futures entry. I add my alert and wait. And after that, here, this is a take profit, and stop loss to the break even, and right to the $15. That's it. And the last indicator is take profit. We just traded, like you can see, in a basic range, nothing special. Daily time frame, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the buy line, but if we will, you can be sure with the weak candle, we can drop even to the 5, even under the $5. 618, it's a buy line. Take profit line 1240. Exit line 1395 on the daily. Weekly time frame, like many other tokens, what I showed you before, just matter of time when the Avax will come back and test below the fundamental value. I already added alert. Fundamental price line, I'm waiting. And test below the buy line is 1460. Take profit line on the weekly now, it's 2881. Write please in a comment what you think about Avalanche. If you'd like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.